Hey collectors! Today we're taking a closer look at the 1973 Washington quarter. A classic U.S. coin. On the front, we have George Washington, the first president of the United States. Facing left, a design that has been on quarters since 1932. Flip it over, and you'll see the American eagle with outstretched wings, symbolizing strength and freedom. The 1973 quarter is made of copper-nickel clad over a copper core. Part of the post-1965 coins that replaced silver content. While most 1973 quarters are common in circulation, collectors watch for errors, proof versions, or uncirculated coins, which can increase value. If you find a 1973 quarter in excellent condition, it's a perfect addition to your collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Rare coins and lost antique. Stay tuned for more hidden coin treasures.